Welcome to this module of DenTTrack, and this is about help and support culture. We want an absolute training culture, helping culture, support culture within dental practices. And we have three sections to help and support your team members. Resources is something where you have lots of templates. Chris Barrow, Extreme Business, Marketing, Patient Experience, Standard Operating Protocols, Treatment Coordinator, Compliance. Let's look at CQC compliance. You have subcategories, lots of them. And as you click on it, that category filters into all the audit templates, etc., which means on a click of a button, you can actually have a document which is ready for you how to do guide and actually the audit of antimicrobial prescribing, say, for example. In here, obviously, you can always put a little search word and you can say prescribing. As you put the word here, obviously anything related to prescribing will come up. So it's a one-word search for any kind of resource you need from various sections to manage a dental practice, right from compliance up to marketing. That's number one. Next is, we call it as help material. Help materials is something like a Netflix where you say, I want to see anything and everything related to this genre, which is called as dental nurse. And all the jobs which are dental nurse related jobs, and there could be 50 plus, they keep coming up on the screen. And if you want to induct your dental nurse on what to do for a particular job, you click on view materials, and there are various templates here from checklist up to procedure checks, standard operating protocols for any individual list. This is called as a help material section, and it can go from dental nurse to practice manager, reception duties, and anything you need. So anything to do with practice manager, business manager, all the help materials for your team will come up here. The last section is training. Training is about 300 plus CPDs, which your team can do around consent, complaints, learning, autism, and more and more and more. And this is exactly training, video training for your team, where they get certified hours for their CPD, which means they can actually submit their certificates to the General Dental Council for actual sign off as their CPD requirement for the year. So going back and completing help and support module, which means we want a culture which is a training culture for your practice, resources with various categories here, help materials for dental nurses, practice manager, everything in here with lots of material connected, and of course the 300 plus CPDs which are on our training portal. Hope that helps.